YouTube? It's me again. Whoa, it's me again over here. What am I gonna do right now? I want to do a little year plus review of something. This little thing is my lewinner. I call it lewinner. It's a microphone. It comes with a little earpiece. I don't use it in my ear too much anymore because I don't know. All you hear is so anyway. The close-up breathing. My impression of this is it has a little blue light. Charges good. Like most lithium things, this thing hates the cold. It's always cold in the winter, so it does die fast in the cold. It charges pretty quick. I charged my computer, had it for a year. It has excellent sound. I just can put it right here. Picks up most things. I can walk around, clear around my shop, almost line of sight, maybe 30 feet after that kind of wax out. Actually, it's pretty darn good. I'm assuming if you don't drop it and you treat it like a little baby like I do, it comes with a clip so you can clip it on here like this. Oop. Yeah, it comes with a clip so you can clip it on. I accidentally hit the button. You can clip it on here, put an earpiece, you can put a headphones on, and you can talk. You can walk around, do stuff. When I carry it, I keep all my stuff in this little box here. Extra phone, extra charging cables and stuff. Why? Because it's a little sensitive. I wouldn't put it in my, what do you call it, tool bag. I wish they made, I'm trying to find, I gotta find like maybe a pill jar, put it in. Keep it, because when, the only problem I have is the switch to turn it on. Sometimes you bump it in the bag, it goes on, and it just goes dead. Other than that, it's held up pretty good if you don't abuse it. See, it's just a tiny little microphone. You don't abuse it. I paid, I think it was $99 for it. And as you can see, it's picking up quite a bit. I've turned the mic around this way and turn it this way, and you get the same. You might get a little higher, maybe like this, but it works. Picks up pretty good. So if you're interested in buying a microphone for YouTube videos, you might want to check out this. It's lewinner. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not monetized. I only have 1,018 subscribers. I'm not that cool, but I did buy some cool equipment. I do own more cool tools in the back. So yeah, if you want a good thing, it's a good little investment. It takes a USB-C as a, what is it, a stereo jack, standard stereo headphone jack on it, and it's tiny. There's no little I think they came with a little poom on it, little poofy thing. It came with a little, originally it came with a little round, like, pouch. I don't know what I did with it. I conveniently chucked that. And so I honestly would give this if it was like on a 1 to 5 star, I'd give it a good 5-star rating because it's a good little mic. It does exactly what I want to do. It doesn't require much. Also, the software, which is what's it called? It comes with the software you can download on the app, and I forget what it's called. It has hold on, I'll tell you what the software name is. Let me pause this. Yeah, the software for this microphone is called Smart Mic Plus. You can load a teleprompter, so if you want to read something, I guess you can just copy and paste it in somehow. It automatically usually finds my microphone, connects, does everything, and it sits here and lets us do stuff while Gadget Head here plays in her games, picks up all her sniffling, liffling. So yeah, I've had this over a year. Bought it on Amazon. I think it was on sale when I bought it. It was like $75. They're usually not. I've seen them. They're over 100 for a while. Then it went back to $99. If you wait, or if you apply for that wonderful Amazon credit card, you can get it like $50 free or whatever, and ruin your life. So yeah, want a good mic? Buy one of these. You could buy one of those other cheap mics. I'm not recommend. Like, I'm not saying you have to buy one of these, but for me, I thought this was a good deal. And if you're like, oh, it died. And if you're monetized, use some of that cash and buy a good mic. If you're not monetized, watch more of my videos and help me get monetized. So, thanks for watching. Toodles. Oh, and watch this. You push the button here and it turns the videos off. Ta-da! Bye!